Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick and easy video, I'll show you how to easily connect your Google Calendar account to n8n to automate your actions. So guys, it's very simple actually. So just go to plus, then just type in calendar like that. Choose Google Calendar. And in here, choose any action that you want. As you can see, we have various, also we have triggers. So I will choose the create an event. And now guys, where it says parameters and credential to connect with, click on the drop down and choose create new credential. And after that, as you can see under connection, we will have this button sign in with Google. Click on it, then choose your account. Now select all to basically allow n8n the access. Click continue. And now as you can see, connection is successful, guys. And as you can see now, you will be able to easily manage anything you want and create any automations and actions in n8n and operate your Google Calendar account. So pretty much that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, press like on it, leave a comment if you have any further questions, subscribe, and of course don't forget to click on the notification bell to not miss new fresh videos. See you soon.